Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the severe threats feature or notifications on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the safety and emergency tile, and then go down to where it says wireless emergency alerts, and then go down to where it says public safety messages and then severe threats as well. You can go underneath all these settings basically here, and you just would toggle them on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.